Alright, hi guys. So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting together my sister's friend's gift bag. Yes, I've known her for 20 years. And I'm gonna just show y'all the stuff I got her in the gift bag. And everything that is inside. Yes, so... Oh yeah, take a look at my shirt. Got on a Whitney Houston shirt. It's cute. My OOTD. And then I got on those kind of Nike pants. And the shoes I have for quite a while. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah. But yeah, before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I just put on some of the stuff. And I got this. I'm about to spray it. Let me spray it. Sorry if my hands are in the way. That smells so good. It smells really, really good. Yep. Now I'm coming back over here. Oh yeah, that's mine. Then's the big bag. Okay, so okay guys, and so one of the things I got her, y'all will not believe it. It was so affordable. I got her. Yep. I got her these roller clips. They are in a white cream color and in black. It comes with 12 of them, and they are reusable for only $1.50. Look at that. Cause I got some cards in here. And then see a regular notebook. Another notebook. These are so cute. Cinnamon Toast Crunch nail filers. Oh yeah. This, a scrub brush. You see this scrub brush. Because the bag broke. I got her these pens. Just like black pens. This back scratcher. I got her this back scratcher, and I'm about to show you how it works. It extends, and it scratches. See that? It's a back scratcher. Yep, like a regular back scratcher. Cause I got a little crap in here. My cards are mixed in with this. I got this little hand sanitizer. Is that one? Now these I found, and I think that they are super cute. It's these nail polishes. Look at the Yep. Now, so far, still got some more stuff. I got her like this like cute like nail file set. Super, super cute. And oh yeah, I got her this face mask. It just says Rosewater face mask. Every quarter counts. And so I'm gonna make this look more presentable. So like you know, like yeah. And like yeah, see, and so like hold on. Yeah. Okay. And so like this is the setup. Yep. That's the setup. And then I'm gonna put the stuff together. This is the bag I got. This is happy birthday with the disco ball. And the same thing on the back. So hold on. Okay, I got the bag fixed. So I'm gonna put the heavier items in there. So up first is this one. That's it. I'm doing everything one-handed. If you go one-handed, and what's the back of it? And watch it bend. Oh wait, that's the front. So I'm just trying. Okay, next I'm gonna put this in here. I'm hoping I really hope that everything can fit in the bag. Hopefully everything fits. Then I'm gonna go put in this the nail polish. Up next is the body wash and body spray. This body spray, this body wash. And the bag fell. Okay, is this? And now it's time for like the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna put this in there. This just fell. Oh. This is a big back book. See this? A big back subject book. Then it's like this one. Pens. This word search. this face mask. This spray. And lastly, this. It's like that. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. If you liked this video, give it a fat thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Pump it up. Pump it up.